The best sound effect is no sound effect. Most editors think more sound effects makes a better video. Strategic silence is better than any sound effect that you can buy because silence creates contrast and contrast creates attention. Here's how you use it. 1 second before a big reveal or something important, cut all the sound effects for 1 second. No music, no sound effects, no nothing. Then hit them with the payoff. Watch what it does to your video. Version 1, there was sound throughout. It was fine. Version 2 had a second of silence, and you see how your brain kind of perked itself up? That's the power of contrast. You want to use silence as a weapon. Day 2 is tomorrow, and I'm going to show you the zoom effect that Mr. Beast uses in every video.